Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've posted one, so this might mess with the continuity of the videos that I've actually uploaded. I do have other videos filmed that I took in the fall and the early winter, but I haven't gotten around to editing or posting those yet. So I don't even know when this one's gonna come out. But as you can see, it is winter. We have a light dusting of snow this morning. It's been unusually warm out the last few weeks, like 50s and raining. And that was near the end of December. It's like January 8th today, I believe. And it's finally gotten cold again. It's about 19 degrees when I got out of my truck. And we got a little bit of snow last night as well, as you can see. So this is just gonna be a mini video. I'm just going for a little hike today. When I get to the top, there's a little cabin. And if I'm feeling it, make some coffee, some lunch, spend a little bit of time up there, and then hike back down. It's really pretty out here today. Got the fresh snow on the branches, reflecting all the sunlight. Not the GoPro can pick that up, but you can see the Adirondacks out there. There's a white face way out there at the tip of my finger. So there's like kind of an inversion going on. It's like the fog from the lake or something. Looks like the Adirondack Mountains look like islands coming out of the clouds. It's pretty cool. Steamy. Okay. Yeah. Not a bad place to enjoy a coffee, huh? The sun is actually pretty warm right here. I can feel it warming me. I don't think it's melting anything yet. The snow is still very fluffy. The steam coming off that door though. Mainly used by thru hikers on the long trail. The long trail is like slightly off to the side here, and it keeps going on up over the top of Mount Mansfield, which you can't see from right here. In the summer, there would be a caretaker here, and it would cost $5 a night to stay here. Alright, well, anyway, that's about it. I'm gonna finish up the rest of this coffee and then back to the truck. I have other chores and things I need to do today, so I'm not gonna spend all day out here messing around. Anyway, climbing down now. Going a lot quicker climbing up, that's for sure.